Hello, welcome to software testing classes by Himanshu Satpathy, Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Today topic is test cases. Steps to follow test cases. What are the steps we have to follow by writing test cases? First is test cases should be followed by IEEE 8 to 9 format. Then prepare test cases by using Microsoft Excel. Then every requirement should be covered as a test case. Then define ID for each and every test case. Prepare clear information for test case description. Cover pre and post conditions for every requirement. Cover positive and negative steps for each and every test case. Use test case design techniques to validate functional requirements. It should be reusable and understandable. It should be simple and clear. Any tester should be able to understand by reading once. It should be useful for next project. It should be reviewed by test lead and approved by test manager and clients. Again, what are the steps we have to follow to writing a test case? Pass each test case should be followed by IEEE 8 to 9 format. Prepare test cases by using Microsoft Excel. Every requirement should be covered as a test case. Define ID for each and every test case. Prepare clear information for test case description. Cover pre and post conditions for every requirement. Cover positive and negative steps for each and every test case. Use test case design techniques to validate functional requirements. It should be reusable and understandable. It should be simple and clear. Any tester should be able to understand by reading once. It should be useful for next project. It should be reviewed by test lead and approved by test manager and clients. For example, some of the test cases or scenario for Gmail login. Test scenario for Gmail login. What are the steps? Verify URL of Gmail. Verify Gmail login. Verify need help link. Verify create account link. Verify language list box. Verify all links from login page. Again, what are this test scenario for Gmail login module? Verify URL of Gmail. Verify Gmail login. Verify need help link. Verify create account link. Verify language list box. Verify all links from login page. Then what are the test case format? IEEE 8 to 9 test case format. What are the modules are to be here? First is test case ID name, test case ID or name. Then test case description. Then precondition. Then step name, step description, input fields, executed result, expected results, actual results, test case result, test case priority and severity. Again, we'll briefly discuss this test case template format. First is project name, means name of the current project. Module, name of the responsible module. Then document reference, name of the requirement document. Then author, tester name. Created date when test case designed. Test case ID or name. Our requires unique number or name to identify this document in the future. Then test case description. What to test? Test scenario. Precondition. List of precondition. Then thus need to be done before verifying the current requirement or execution. Step name. Name or numbers to follow test cases one by one. Step description. How to test and test case name. Come write all steps in details. Input fields. Prepare test data to validate functionalities by test case design techniques. Expected result. Client expectation from requirements documents, then actual results, output of the build under execution, then test case result. If expected value equal to actual value, so to test case result will be pass else fail. Then test case priority, define the test case priority to define importance of test case. Then reviewed by and reviewed date. Test case should be reviewed by test lead, approved by and approved date. It should be approved by test manager and project manager and client. Some reviews. Review to test cases. One test cases and input data prepared. Once test cases and input data prepared to confirm the correctness of test cases. Reviewed will be conducted by test lead before start execution. The review should be carried out by below base: self-review, peer review, lead review, manager review, client review. Self-review by self, peer review by colleague, lead review by team lead, manager review by manager people, client review by client or customer. Here some test cases examples. Test cases for water bottle. Verify capacity of the bottle. Verify purity of water. Verify quality of water module. Verify cap. Verify water bottle sealed or not. Verify company label. Verify expire date and manufacturing date. Verify price of the water bottle. Verify color of the water bottle. Then test cases for pen. Verify type of the pen. Verify color. Verify grip. Verify smoothness of the point. Verifying cap working or not. Verify color of the ink. Then test cases for lift. Verifying capacity of the lift. Verifying alarm working is not when it is overloaded. Verifying type of the color, door manually or automatically. Verifying intimations of lift at each and every floor. Verifying current floor numbers display or not. Verifying lights and fan. Verifying power supplying. Verifying correctly stopping or not at each and every floors. There some are the test cases examples. Thank you very much for liking my videos and sharing it. Bye Himanshu Setpathy. Bye bye, take care.